All right, outside table. Been sitting out here for a couple of years at least, 2 or 3 years. And I just thought I'd flip it over and mow up underneath and take a look at the bottom. Cause even though it's uh, good wood that I used, pressure treated lumber, it's still going to rot if it's to the ground. So these little corners started rotting all the way around. So I took a saw and just cut the tops off of these right there. Got down to where it's not quite so bad. See how rotten that is on the top? But got down to where it's not too bad now. And now I want to let it dry and put some paint on it. And as the weather is pretty bad, so I don't know if it's going to dry in a day or two, but I'll cover it up if I have to, if it starts raining. It's supposed to in the next couple of days. And then I'll get out here when it gets dried off, and we'll put some paint on the bottom of this thing and see if we can't make it last another couple of years. Because it's so good to have out here to work on. If you're working on a car, working on a lawnmower, whatever you're working on, it is so good to have a big table out here to throw your stuff on. So it has come in handy. All right, that's part one, I guess, of taking care of your stuff. All right, got it all just about painted. I got plenty of paint down inside there. So that's where it was rotted the worst, is on these little deals right here. But this part right here was rotted a little. Got some paint down inside there. And so now it is ready to flip back over, I think, and set for a few more years. Got a little more protection on it. A couple of days of drying. So this and I was told it's been out here for 6 years. So you can expect a little bit, but now it's good for another 6 years. So let me flip it back over and call it a day on this one. Alright, last thing I'm going to do, because I got a partial can of Flex Seal, but it's silver, but it doesn't matter. I am going to try to get some Flex Seal down in amongst these rotted places where it can't, no water can get back in them. There we go. This one on this side wasn't too bad. All right. Now then. Now I believe it'll last a few more years. Use about all this old stuff that I got. All right. And there we go. Now we got the bottom taken care of. We shouldn't be having to worry about that no more. For a while, anyway. Let that dry, and we'll flip her over and start over with a semi-new outside table. All right, I guess that's it for now. All right, got our outside table back. The bottom ain't rotting anymore. It's on the ground. I could put it on concrete, I guess, but right now it's back in business. It's easy to use. It's you gotta have an outside table, especially if you're working on an old car, or motorcycle, or lawnmower, or something. But there's our old table, back in business, and I guess that's it for now.